Yo everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is the big day. We're going to be heading towards Santapod as I promised. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the last video at Ace Cafe, but today is going to be a crazy one. So as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit that bell button to stay notified for the next new video, and I shall speak to you soon. Let's go. So I'm here now, I'm finally reached Santapod. I'm so excited to actually go on the track. I ain't done this since last year, but yeah, let's go. I'm trying to hit 10 seconds today. You see all the cars are ready and waiting, so yeah, it's gonna be a crazy day, but let's go people. I'm gonna hit the tracks and see what I do, so I'll speak to you in a bit. So we're ready, we're getting ready to race. I'll be racing that tonight. It's a CLA 45, but yeah, with Jordan.
What's good?
And I'm so excited. First race of the day, let's see how we do. Hi everyone, I'm back. So I just did my first race of the day. I'm so excited because I just got, and if you can see it right now, I'll try and show you. If not, I think the reflection is going to do too much, but there it is, 11.05. So as I said, I'm trying to hit 10 seconds today. So yes, I think I've got a 10-second car again, which I am so happy about. So I can't wait. I'm going to do a few more runs as well. I'm going to race loads of times today, but yeah, I'm going to do a few more runs just to see if I can hit that 10-second today, and then I can show you lot that this car is actually a 10-second car. So the beast is really a beast. I'm just waiting for everybody to go back onto the track, and I will speak to you soon people. So we're back on the tracks getting ready for the race, and I think I'll be racing this C63S right there. So yeah, let's see what we can do with this one. But yeah, let's get ready for this race people. E63S versus the C63F. Clipsy, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready? Is driver ready? You ain't even looking, but yeah, we're ready. So let's go.
What that feels like. Oh, I forgot what that feels like, bro. Oh my
Quick, innit?
days.
So I've got a big race coming up. I'm racing this. Oh my gosh. But yeah, everybody's got faith. They're all saying that I'm gonna win, and I know that I'm gonna win. Whoa. What are you saying that I'm gonna win?
No, not this, not against this one.
You see what I mean? So I've got no more friends anymore, so I'm gonna be going home on my own.
We're being good friends. We're being good friends.
But the realist friends that's telling the
They're not real, they're keeping it fake.
Telling the honest truth.
No, you ain't the realist team anymore, yeah? But anyway, yeah, 800 BH against the 710 BH. I'm gonna beat the Hellcat. I know no one's got faith in me, but I'm like Rocky. You know that one where everyone's like boo, and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna win, but I'm gonna win. This is a Hellcat, a Dodge SRT. Don't know much about it, but yeah, just know that it's in front of me and I'm about to race it. So, yeah. So that was a crazy race with a Hellcat. Oh my gosh. That was exciting, but yeah, I kind of knew that I was going to get beat by that one, but yeah, that was close, so close. So now I'll be racing the famous Porsche Turbo S. So it will be electric versus petrol. Let's see how this goes. I'm excited for this. Clips is going to take the camera off of me, so he's going to film from the outside. But as I said, I'll be racing this Porsche Turbo S. Crazy race. It's been doing some crazy times at the moment. So as I said, it's going to be a V8 versus electric power. So let's see what they do.
That's pretty cool.
Porsche is in reverse then. Oh boy, let's go again. Flying backwards.
Right, I'm back. So you saw that race to the Porsche. That was fun. Hopefully this one is going to be right. We're both going to have no passengers, and fingers crossed they should let us go at the same time, and let's see what I do against the Porsche Turbo S. But fingers crossed I should win this one, and I should finally hit the 10 seconds for today. But yeah, my best time so far, which I just got in the last run, is 11.02 seconds. So I am so close. I can taste it. But yeah, I will speak to you when I'm on the track, or if not, you will see the outside footage of me racing. But yeah, I will speak to you soon. Yo people, so it's the end of the day. Crazy day it was. You know, all day I've been trying to get that 10 seconds, and the last race against the Porsche Turbo S, I did it. I hit the time. You see right there, it's 10.9. I don't know if you can see it, but if you can't see it, then I'm going to explain it to you anyway. But it's a 10.9, so the car's a 10-second car. It's been a crazy day. I've had loads of races. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Jordan, my brother, what did you think of today?
Today was a madness. This car here, this is a killer.
As you know, it's the beast, it's the realist, and there's more good, great content coming up. I love coming to Santapod because it's just so fun to have drag racing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button to stay notified for the next new video. And I will see you in the next one. Take care, bye.